Hi Sunshine! So this is our first video and I'm gonna teach you guys the first things you need to learn on a foreign language, which is how to greet someone and how to introduce yourself. Okay, let's go. So how to greet someone, you're usually gonna say hi or hello, right? So to say that in Portuguese, you simply say oi, oi. And then you're probably gonna ask how the person is doing. So, how you doing? How are you? How are you? Literally in Portuguese is como vai você? Como vai você? But you can also say, which I prefer, tudo bem, tudo bem, tudo bem, which literally means all good. And the person is gonna reply. So to reply to that, you can reply many things, of course, but let's say I'm fine, thank you. Eu estou bem, obrigada. Eu estou bem, obrigada. Obrigada. That's a little bit tricky. If you're having problems, just go to Google Translator, type the word and listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. And try to click the microphone and speak to Google Translator. When he understands you, you're doing good. Okay. Next, ask if the person is good too. So, and you, right? So, e você? E você? Eu estou bem, obrigada. E você? Let's assume the person is also going well. She's gonna say, eu estou bem, também. Também. Me too. I'm fine too. Também means too. Those were the basic greetings, and after that we're gonna introduce ourselves. So we're gonna say, my name is na na na, or I am na na na. So my name is, meu nome é, meu nome é, meu nome é. And I am, eu sou, eu sou. The dialogue is something like this. Oi, tudo bem? Eu estou bem, obrigada. E você? Eu estou bem também. And then we're gonna introduce ourselves. Meu nome é Larissa. Prazer, eu sou Júlia. Prazer, prazer. It means nice to meet you. Prazer. And there you go. That was everything for today. So far, you can introduce yourself and do a basic conversation starter, basic greetings, okay? Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna gradually improve into the higher levels. If you have any questions, just leave on the comments and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!